Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take 3D photos in any Android device. So let's get started. Go to Play Store, search for Foggy. Install the app. So I just tried a bunch of different apps, but I like this app the most because it does the work perfectly. Open the app. So here are the bunch of steps how to take the photo. Click on next. Let me show you an example. Make that point at the center of the object. Click on the camera icon. It's processing. So here is the gallery. You can see that it is 3D. You can also take selfie with a full panoramic background. Let me show you how to do that. Change the camera, click on camera and rotate. So here it is processing. You can have full background like this. Here are a bunch of options to enhance your photo. You can also set wallpaper. Let me show you how to do that. Long press and set as wallpaper. It's a pro option. Click on set wallpaper and your wallpaper is set. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel by clicking on the face icon.